Number 9 for Rude. Number 75 for Mel. Number 94 Esau. And number 26 Joaquin. Para sa team ng LPU. Number 1 Nairo. Number 4 Castillo. Number 12 Big Max. Number 38 Castillo. And number 17 Rambo. Good luck for both teams. Ang manalo po mga laban ang very well sa semifinals. All players, kapit po tayo ng ayos. All accessories, hikaw, kitas, bracelet, pasuyo po. At pasuyo din po para sa mga manonood. Wait lang, ayusin lang natin yung ano. Wait lang. Ayusin lang natin yung score. First possession para sa team ng LPP. Castillo. Palamena, pass to 30. Wrapping up the twist award. Castillo, pass to Justin. Bounce pass to Jimenez. Got the ball. Working the shoe. Turnover para sa team ng Latas. Jimenez. Capistrano. Pass to Turkey. 14 to shoot. Back to Capistrano. Good rebound para kay Castillo. Kyle. Pass to Jackson. 14 to shoot. Kyle. 10 to shoot. Kyle on the good. Rebound para kay Joaquin. Good team para kay Abutbol. Kyle. Castillo. Good na pasan. Jimenez. Okay. Good team para kay Castillo. Counter steal ito ang pera. 30 Umigon. Back to shoot. Joaquin Rude. Jimenez with the board. Castillo, pass to Barrio. Pass to Jimenez. Official score 10-0 in favor of LPU. Back to the ball game. Palamena, pass to Marcos. Jesus. Castilla, Vasco Castilla. Good. Jimenez with the board. Jimenez with 10 points. Good lead by Castilla. Counter steal de Marcos. Capistrano. Rebound para kay Joaquin. Joaquin. Vasco Palomera. Capistrano. Soccer Fire Richard. Castilla. Vasco Castilla. Castilla 3. Jesus, past the Derby. Good. Jimenez secures the board. Out the pass. Turnover para sa team ng LPU. Save ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Palomera, pass to Marcos. Blocked by Carlo. Joaquin back to shoot. Good. Castilla with the board. Wrapping up. That violation. Turnover para sa team ng LPU. Time remaining 4 minutes and 55 sa ating first quarter. Joaquin box pass. Good team para sa team ng LPU. Jacksana. Pass to Rapido. Justin. Pwede ko yung Joaquin. Under the pasa. Castillo. Official throw 17-4. Palomera, back to Marcos. Working the shoot. Joaquin. Joaquin pa rin. Ginagawa. Joaquin. Rapido. Working the shoot. Justin. Then the shoot. Back to Castillo. Castillo. Castillo with 10 points. Official score 26. Now by the team of LPU. Marcos. Good team para Jacksana. Subdivision. Castillo. Castillo. Third triple of the ball game de Castillo. Working the shoot. Marcos. Capistrano. Official score 23-8. Rapido. Rebound para kay Joaquin. Fourth rebound to Joaquin. Joaquin. Yes, naman ang steal. Bounce pass. Kakarapasa. Castillo. Time remaining 2 minutes and 35. That's the first quarter. 14 to shoot. Nakaran. Lima para nakaran. Back to shoot. Stolen by the Sana. Third steal of the ball game. Rapido. Rapido pa din. Rapido. 12 minutes. Rocky. Official score 27-10. Joaquin to shoot. That's good. Fast for Rapido. Rapido. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Capistrano. Stolen by Castillo. Counter steal ni Capistrano. Karo. Karo pa din. Karo. 40 seconds remaining. Rapido. Foul. Foul para kay 75 Colomero. First personal foul, first team foul para sa team ng Letran. Pagos, Pacquiao. Lagu pa rin, hindi ba para kay Colomero. Blocking foul para number 3, Yasana. First personal foul, first team foul para sa team ng LPU. Seconds remaining. 14 to shoot. Rebound para kay Pagos. Seconds remaining. Five seconds. 3. And on the first quarter, official score 32-12. for the bogey. Latran po tayo, latran. Part of the second quarter. Deep ball. 14 to shoot. Mosra. Started with the center. Rebound by Supan. Looking to shoot. Ramos. Back to shoot. Back to shoot. Rebound para ni Pagas. Pagas. One pass. Foul para number 24, Pagas. First personal foul, first team foul, para sa team ng LPU. Deep ball. 14 to shoot. Foul. Foul para number 24, Pagas. Second personal foul, second team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Rebound para kay Pacquiao. Sasana. Tapi ka ng bola nakuha ni Kison. Malamang. Galvan Pito. Foul para kay number 15, Pito. First personal foul, 13 foul para sa team ng LPU. 2 shots para kay number 13, Palomero. Para kay Palomero. Official score 34-13. Bagas. Pass to Pacquiao. Desana Kumagan. Katrapasa, sayang. Turnover para sa team ng LPU. Palomero, pass to Kison. Palomero, Tohana. Deep ball. Step back. Takta ng pasabit. Loose ball right. 29, Pacquiao. Substitution rep. Pacquiao first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Official score 34-14. To shoot. Deep ball. Foul by number 24, Bagos. Third personal foul, penalty lineup. Two shots by number 5, Nico. Limang para sa Lumena. Lumena. Pass to Bosca. Limang para kay Kyle. Limang para kay Lumena. Steely on that. Kyle. Meatball. Set a triple to rolling. Meatball. Panamera. Good team on the fence. Rapido. 14 to shoot. Set to shoot. Foul by number 9, Limbong. First personal foul, first team foul para sa team ng Bataan. One shot para kay number 22, Hobet. Official score 41-15. Limbong 3. Strana, passo di gol. Mota. Odra. Justin. Rapido. Passo di Menes. Nipple the ball. On the pass. Turnover para sa team ng Bataan. Then the shoot. Dribble para kay Odra. Odra dolok press. Palomino. Official score 24-22. 14 to shoot. Rapido. Dribble para kay Palomino. Block by Bello. At the block. Para kay Tipo. Capistrano. Odra sumege. Odra. ball, 24. Fourteen to shoot. Ten to shoot. Five to shoot. Gonna drop. Basket down. Second personal foul, second foul. Foul sa big
Foul.
back to the ball game.
Tira lang yan, oh.
Ball shot para may number 4. Official score 47-24. Contra. Dari Bertamilo. Looking to shoot. Contra. Tugu. Kison. Turnover bounce on the ground. Castillo. Tugu. Rebound para kay Contra. Save ball. Pico. Pass to Palomero. Working to shoot. Joaquin. Foul. Foul para na kay number 38. Two shots para kay number 26. Joaquin. Official score 47-25. Foul para kay number 13, Palomero. First personal foul, 13 foul para sa team ng Letra. 5 remaining, 1 minute and 40. Rocky ball. Get the shoot. Okay, para kay Joaquin. Rebound para kay Honra. Bounce pass on the stand. Palomero. Joaquin to shoot. And to shoot. Rebound para kay Palomero. Capistano. Pass to Honra. Tatapata. Capistano. Timeout LP. Official score 47-29. Ang pareho teams ng LP. Time remaining 51 seconds. Start in second quarter. Rapido. Vasco Castillo. Line violation. 35 seconds remaining. 30 seconds. Deep off Omega. Back him up. Wow. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Foul para number 0, Capistrano. First foul, penalty direction. Penalty direction, penalty. Wala pa dito sir, baliktad pala, sorry. LPU pala yung penalty. Sorry po, sorry. Warning pala, warning pala. Sorry po, sorry. Sorry po. 6 seconds remaining. End of the second quarter. Official score 47-31 in favor of LP.
Some thousands don't ever mention the sun. The sun is under my feet. I walk in peace over heat. For one, you retreat. My elevation repeats. The market with speech. Turn the rhythm of music and let it sit in your reach. Pure persistence on the beast. Demolition on the street. Partition last out your teeth. Mention how far I see. Industry.
LPU ball po tayo. LPU. Start the third quarter. Castillo Pumete. Castillo. Working the shoot. And the shoot. Contra. Rebound para kay Castillo. Rapido. Working the shoot. Rebound para kay Joaquin. Rapido. Contra with the board. Foul para kay number 4, Castillo. First personal foul, first team foul, para sa team ng LPU. Team to shoot. Then to shoot. 5 to shoot. Limba 3. Second difference opening in Limba. Foul para kay number 5, Limba. Third personal foul, first team foul para sa team ng Letran. 2 shots para kay number 38, Castillo. The shoot. Limbo. Get the shoot. Got the pasa. Fight the shoot. Capistradri. Down to 13-point lead. 15-37. 14 to shoot. Then the shoot! Rebound para kay Capistrano. Then the shoot! 7 seconds to shoot! Justin. Rápido. Vasco Castillo. Oye, to shoot. Saca la pasa. Basket down. Usman Red. Ball para kay number 26. Joaquin. First personal foul, second team foul para sa team ng Letran. What a shot para kay Baclao. Official score 53-37. To shoot. And the shoot. Time remaining 6 minutes and 35. 14 to shoot. Turnover, bottom of the LPU. Castillo. Official score 55-39. Ang palayan ng team ng LPU. 14 to shoot. Foul para kay number por Kailaw. First personal foul, second team foul para sa team ng LPU. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to Kirby. Good. Rebound by Justin. Rapping. 14 to shoot. That's official score 58-39. Back to 19-point lead para sa LPU. Pass to Balmeno. Rebound para Mexicanes. Pass to Justin. 9 seconds to shoot. Stolen by Castillo. Rapido. Official score 16-39. Working to shoot foul. Foul para kay number 3, Desana. Second personal foul, 13 foul para sa team ng LPU. Seconds to shoot. With the Mexicanes. 3 to shoot. 1 to shoot. Shot block violation.
Hindi na tumama eh.
Balmeno. Guru. Foul, basket count. Foul by number 4, Whitehouse. Second personal foul, White for penalty. Corner shot by number 9, Guru. To shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 to shoot. Take the shoot! Shot clock fired! Substitution ball. Porta, Young versus Senna. Porta, Topalabano. Foul para number 12, Kim Ganes. First personal foul, penalty na tayo. 2 shots para number 13, Palomano. Rebound para may Joaquin. 10 seconds to shoot. Start to shoot. Rebound para may Ganes. Two minutes remaining sa ating third quarter. The center. Nawa! The center! Back to 90 point lead, 62-43. Rebound para Palomano. Substitution na. That's working the shoot. Rebound para may Joaquin. Basket down. Who's ball right? Number 15, Vito. Second personal foul. On a shot para may number 13, Palomano. The shoot. That's the shoot. Palomano with 11 points. 41 seconds remaining. 40 seconds. 40 to shoot. That's 25 seconds remaining. Rebound para the center. Foul para number 0, Capistrano. Second personal foul, 13 foul para sa team ng Letran. All players. Running ball para number 0, Capistrano, and number 15, Vito. For second full shot. Seconds remaining. 10 seconds. Vito, 3 seconds. 2. decision.
Counted. Not counted.
Basket down! And on the third quarter, official score 17-15. Favor of LP.
Oo. Wala, 20 lang. 20.
7-50 po.
Ayaw parang kasi wala yung point guard nila eh. Tanyedo.
Back to the ball game!
Ah.
Lapangan ball po tayo. Lapangan. Last and final quarter. Rebound para kay Ramiro. Castillo. Good team para kay Castillo. 10 seconds to shoot. Fabio. Good team para kay Honra. Capistrano. Foul para kay number 26, Joaquin. Second personal foul, first team foul. Para sa team ng Latam. 2 shots para kay number 38, Castillo. Dalawa sa. Official score 71-52. Vargas. 14 to shoot. Vargas. Back to shoot. Pasa. Para kay Castillo. Ramiro. 9 seconds to shoot. Good team para kay Joaquin. Joaquin. Official score 71-54. 14 to shoot. On the break of Estrada. Third steal of the ball game. Foul by number 38, Castillo. Second personal foul. First team foul para sa team ng LPU. Two shots para kay number 9, Go. Official score 71-56. Casana. Ball para kay number 13, Palomero. Second personal foul, second team foul para sa team ng Latam. Two shots para kay number 3, Casana. One out of two para kay Casana. Official score 72-56. Quadra. 14 to shoot. Yes, Sana. Third personal foul, second team foul para sa team ng LPU. Official score 72-58. Ramirez. Turnover fouls are out. Contra. Down to 11-point lead, 72-61. Rapido. Time remaining 7 minutes. Contra again. Down to 12-point lead, 74-64. Yes, sir. Working the shoes. And the shoes. Rebound para kay Palomero. Capistrano to Kirby. Official score 74-66. Now the single digit lead para sa LPU.
Overtime. Overtime. Oh, pares. Oh, kontra.
Back to the ball game.
Pangalawa.
Working the shoe. Back to the net. Usman number 3-0. Palomero. Third personal foul, 13 foul para sa Lagman. 2 shots para kay number 12, Jimenez. Tumalo 2 para kay Jimenez. Official score 76-66. Official score 76-69. Lucky foul para kay number 13, Palomero. Fourth personal foul, one for penalty. Pasco Rapido. Good deep para kay Contra. Rapido. Rebound para kay Carlo.
Balik lang.
Substitution. Ball para number 0, Capistrano. Third personal foul. Penalty by the ref.
Ah. Nakayakap kasi ano. Nakagano. Sure lang.
Back to the ball game. Penalty by the ref. Rebound para number 13, Colomero. One. 14 to shoot. Ball para number 17, Rocky Ball. First personal foul, 13 foul. First dancer. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Rebound para Justin. Rapido. Good. Joaquin. Pass to Kirby. So 14 to shoot. Rebound para kay Joaquin. Foul para kay number 12, Jimenez. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 shots para kay number 13, Talopeno. Time remaining 4 minutes and 15 seconds of the last and final quarter. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Joaquin Joaquin. Capistrano. Official score 78-71. Down to 7-point lead. Across the LPU. Rapido. Guard by Honda. And to shoot. Offensive foul. Foul by number 12, Big Bass. Third personal foul. 10-6 lang. Sa ating last and final quarter. Rapido. Dante Horta. 14 to shoot. Rapido. Dudu dengan Rapi Horta. Horta. Dudu. Lata Castillo. Foul para net number 9. Usbarat. Foul para net number 9. First person. Loose ball foul. Red. Loose ball foul. Red. Itu bermain. Players, mention bermain. Mention bermain players. Terus bersama mereka bermain terus. Pergerakan ini. Penalti daerah. Official score 80-71. Capistrano. Foul para number 38 Castillo. Third personal foul. Ferdinand. Three shots. Para number 0 Capistrano. Para Capistrano. Official score 80-73. Para Capistrano. Usbarat. Number 4, Gailo. Third personal. Penalty direct. 2 shots by number 26, Joaquin. violation. Seconds to shoot. And to shoot. Rebound by the center. Castillo. Pass to the center. 14 to shoot. Back to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Joaquin. 15 seconds remaining. Seconds remaining. Officials score 82-77. 14 to shoot. And to shoot. Drop it on. 5 seconds. 3-second violation. Official score 82-77 in favor of LPU. Fourteen to the ball. Reverend 14 seconds. Shot clock. Both teams, kanya din ako tayo, both teams. Number 0, Mapisrano. Fourth pero dinarap. Two shots para kay number 17, Ramiro. Rebound para kay Colorado. 15 seconds remaining. Down to 3-point lead. Foul. Foul para kay number 26, Joaquin. Third personal foul para dinarap. Two shots para kay number 17, Ramiro. Seconds.